Let's crave. Hey guys, today we are making Cinnabon at home with this super easy recipe that I found on Pinterest. So I didn't really want to make a big Cinnabon, so I wanted to do Cinnabon bites. So that's where this idea came from. And let me tell you, it's so easy that you'll do this almost every week. Now that they are all cut, we are about to go ahead and add our melted butter as well as our cinnamon and brown sugar. I don't know about y'all, but when I cook, especially when I cook something that I know is gonna be good, I get super excited. So I made enough cinnamon bites to make 2 batches. I have 2 pans here and I'm going to put butter at the bottom of them so that the cinnamon bites don't stick to the pan. So I already started separating the cinnamon bites so that both pans could be even. And when I am done with this, I am going to sprinkle some brown sugar on top just to give it a little bit more sweetness, because I don't think I added enough. So all you need for this frosting is cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and melted butter. And you do also want to make sure that the cream cheese is room temperature. These are all cooled off. We are about to go ahead and add our frosting. Y'all, the frosting is what makes the whole thing taste so good. The frosting is a necessity, so if you want to add extra, go ahead, be my guest. I recommend it. So I added caramel to mine just because if it's sweet, I'm going to add caramel to it, but you do not have to. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video and stay tuned for the next one.